Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your MacBook Neo is frozen and not responding. So in most cases, in case some application caused your device to freeze, you can simply switch to, if it's open in a full screen mode, you can switch to your desktop using Command-Tab combination of keys. This way, navigate to Finder and you will get back to your desktop. After that, you'll be able to simply navigate to your application icon on the dock, press it with 2 fingers, and then select Quit to quit this application. But if it doesn't want to quit this way, you can use the Force Quit combination of keys. So it would be Command, Option, and Escape. So just press 3 buttons at the same time, like this, and after that, find your unresponsive application here. For example, this Notes application, and select Force Quit, then confirm. Also, you can turn off the computer completely in case your Force Quit menu won't appear on the screen. You can simply go to the Apple menu and select Force Quit. Or you can use this combination of keys, which is the Option, Command, and Quit. Or you can simply hold down the lock button for long enough time, using usually about 10 seconds or more. So just hold your finger down on the lock button and just wait until your device goes off. Once the screen goes off, you can release the lock button and then short press it once again after a couple of seconds to turn it back on. And after that, the device will restart. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.